What's poppin', people? It's your boy Ghana with T, so let me take this off. What's poppin', people? It's your boy Ghana. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'll be going to a boot sale. As for the people that didn't know, I do live in central London and we've just come out from lockdown on Saturday. Not everything's open, but the majority of shops are actually, their boot sales are finally open. So yeah, we'll decide a little bit. Yeah, now we'll be able to hopefully pick up some good items that we can flip. And yeah, currently it is 8:55 AM. So hopefully we do find some good items. I do have my mask, I do have my gloves, I do have my hand sanitizer. Make sure you stay safe. But yeah, see you all at the boot sale. Yes, boss. I'm good, how are you? I just finished at the boot sale. I'm on my way home to show you what I picked up, how much I'm going to sell it for and how much profit I'll be making. I'll break that all down once I get home. The boot sale overall was okay. It was a one-way system, so that was very good. However, social distancing, people were just leaning over each other. But I guess it is what it is. There's nothing you can do about that one. But I'll see you all at home. And I'm back again. I'm going to show you all what I bought at the boot sale. Also all my pickups I've done this week. And also all my items that I've sold this week on my store. Let's get into it. First I'm going to show you all. Should I show you what I bought today at the boot sale? I'm going to show you first. I'm going to show you all what I've picked up during this week. So pickup number one was actually a Wii bundle. It was everything. It was the Wii with 2 controllers, 2 wearing stills. It had Mario Kart, Mario Olympic games. It had a lot of different games. It also had a Wii Fit board plus the actual game. So what I decided to do was for the Wii Fit board and the Wii Fit Plus game, bundle them together and actually sell them separately. And I did the same thing with Mario Kart and the 2 wheel accessories, as I did already sell Mario Kart with the 2 wheel accessories beforehand for $23.99 in my last week video. If you haven't watched that, go watch that. But yeah, so I decided, so it's one big Wii bundle and I sectioned it into 3 different sections. So yeah, actually this actually did sell already, but I will get into that a little bit later. So item number 2 that I bought during the week, the Wii bundle I did pick up on Facebook Marketplace, and I met them in person. So pickup number 2 was a deluxe set rummy I picked up at a charity shop for £2. The Wii bundle I picked up for £40. So yeah, this one, nice little pickup. Third items I bought was the Guitar Hero for the PlayStation 3. I picked this up for £2. I actually picked this up in a bundle, so I will show you the rest. It's a target for the so it came with a Nerf gun. So this is like the target you can aim for, and also came with another. These 2 came together with the green Nerf Doominator and then the Guitar Hero. I picked them all up for £5 at a charity shop. Item number 4 I picked up at a charity shop is Teenage Mutant Hero Turtles Blockbuster video. This actually came out in 1990 and I actually did see it on one of the videos on YouTube. I can't remember the name, but one of the sellers did found this in a charity shop and they made a very nice profit. So I kind of knew already that this is gonna go for a little bit of money. As you can see, as you can see, it doesn't say Ninja, as apparently Ninja back in the days was too aggressive. I bought this for 50p and I sold it for £13.99 plus £3.10 shipping. So after fees and everything, I should make at least £10 profit, which is decent for a 50p pickup. I'm going to open it and show you all quickly. It's just a normal regular mug. Item number 5 is a Scandinavia Star Wars book. Let me show you. This book is actually very cool. Who wants to zoom in? And it actually looks like an animation, which is very cool. I picked this up for £1 at a charity shop, and I actually, when I was looking through it, I was like, oh, this is very interesting, as I've never seen this before in my life. But yeah, hopefully I'll be able to flip this. All the items you've just seen is all from, majority of them is for charity shops. However, the Wii bundle was from Facebook Marketplace. I am kind of enjoying selling Nintendo Wiis and actually buying them in a bundle and actually breaking them down. For me, I've seen the most profit doing that, so I might actually just go full time. When I mean full time, not full time, like, I mean part time, but like just sell Wii bundles and actually just break them down and just sell them for profit. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking about. But enough of me talking. Let me show you what I picked up today at the boot sale. So number 1 is a wheel accessory for the Wii, for like racing games. And then number 2 is a Wii game, and you can use it with the Wii Fit, with the Wii balancing board. I picked this up for £2, and the game I'm actually going to add with the balance board and the Wii Fit as a bundle, so to give it a little bit more value, and then the customer will think like, oh, I'm getting more worth for my buck. And the Wii accessory, I'm probably going to add it with my Mario Kart bundle, so 3 wheel accessories and the game for probably £24.99. And the last item that I bought up from the boot sales is Xbox 360 controllers. I picked up 3 of these. As I did upload a video last week and Close the Geek Reseller UK, I've watched a couple of his videos and I really do enjoy them. He actually commented on my videos and he actually watched my video, so I appreciate you, Joe, for watching my video. I appreciate that a lot. And he recommended me buying the Xbox 360 controllers and asking for a bundle, and that's what I did today. And I bought 3 of these controllers for £20, and hopefully I'll be able to make a little profit on that. So those are all the items that I've bought at the boot sales, Facebook Marketplace and charity shops during this week. Let me show you all what I sold on my store this week. So 2 of these items I've already shipped them off, as it was early in the week and I do upload on Sundays. Item number 1 is a Wii sensor bar. I picked up for £1 and I sold it for £6. And then I sold a game, FIFA 11, for the Nintendo Wii for 99p plus 164 postage. This game did come in a bundle, so a little profit there. No profit, obviously the bundle is still a lot higher, but working towards that. And then the third item that sold is this vintage mug I showed you earlier. I did sell it for $13.99 plus £3.10 shipping, and I actually picked this up for 50p, which is a bargain actually. So item number 4. Item number 4 is the Risk board game. I picked this up for £1, or was it £1.50? I'm not sure. And I sold it for £10 plus £4.50 shipping fees. So after costing everything, I should make £8 to £9 profit on this one, hopefully. And then right now I'm going to show you 2 of my Wii bundles that actually sold, which is kind of weird, but I'm going to get into that right now. First thing first. So number 1 is this black Wii console with 2 controllers, all the power supplies, and a couple games. The customer bought this for £68 and $14.99 shipping. However, I'm still waiting. Oh, the sun in my eye. Sorry about that, guys. I am currently still waiting for the customer to pay for this item, as they did win it on an auction. I did let them know. I did send them a couple reminders that they should pay. But yeah, I picked this Wii bundle up for, how much was it? I think I picked this up for £35, and then it did come with Mario Kart, and I did sell Mario Kart separately already, and I sold that for $23.99. So I'm kind of halfway through the bundle cost. But if the customer does pay up, I should make around £30 to £45 profit, so that's good. And then last item that sold in my store was another Wii bundle. Oh shoot. Another Wii bundle with his games, and it came with a resistor band. And I do have the game for this one with 2 controllers, its sleeves, and also a charging kit. They come with a charging dock. And I sold this one for £72 and 10p plus $14.99 shipping. As I did tell you earlier, I did buy this bundle off Facebook Marketplace for £40. As I did buy, yeah, I bought it for £40, and I did take Mario Kart and a 2-wheel accessory out of it. So after everything, hopefully, I should make again £40 profit, hopefully. So both Wii bundles I actually did put in an auction, and funny enough, it was the same customer that won both of them auctions, which is kind of weird. However, I'm still waiting to receive the payment. And funny enough, both the Wii bundles are actually bought by the same customer, which is kind of dodgy. I don't know, this is my first time ever experienced this. I've never come across this. I've never actually even tried auction in my life. These two Wii bundles are my two first ones ever, but I'm pretty sure customer will never buy two Wii bundles, but you never know. But yeah, I did ask the customer to pay me for the items so I can ship them off, but I have a kind of feeling that the customer isn't gonna pay, but we'll see about this one. But it is what it is. But so from this week, I'll be able to go to a lot more charity shops and a lot more boot sales, as we did come out of lockdown yesterday. So I'll be able to buy more items and really grow my eBay store to the next level. I did hit the £1,000 threshold in 90-day period, so I was really gassed about that. As you know, I did put a goal for myself and I did hit it. My next goal is 5,000, and I'll let you all know when I do hit that 5,000. But before I leave, I want to appreciate all of you for staying to the end of this video, and I appreciate all of you who has clicked the thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. We did hit 50 subscribers. I appreciate all of you subscribing. If you got any questions, do let me know in a comment, or if you got any advice for me, leave that in a comment as well. I appreciate all of you for watching my video, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. But yeah, thank you very much everyone. It's been your boy Gani, and I'm out.